Number 6 is deductions are made from. Number 6 is deductions are made from. Number A, observations. B, hypothesis. C, experiment result. D option is solution of biological problem. So as you know that deductions are the logical consequences of a hypothesis. In the definition of deduction, we define it like that: it is the logical consequences of a hypothesis. So they are always and always conducted by hypothesis. So option B, hypothesis, is the right option. Deductions are always made from or conducted from hypothesis. Number 7, which of the following is true about the statement of hypothesis? Which of the following is true about the statement of hypothesis? Here we have biologists use observation to develop a possible answer to biological problem. Such tentative answer is called as hypothesis. Second character is that it is based upon the observation made by biologist. Yes, it is proposed statement to answer the problem, and it is testable through experiments. And then this one, a hypothesis is assumed as the possible answer. So when you go through these 4 properties of hypothesis on page 25, you will find all of them as the right option. Like option A, it is also logical. Yes. Option B, it is a possible answer. Yes. Option C, it is always based on observation. And the D one is all of them, means all these statements are true about the statement of hypothesis, which you have studied in the properties of hypothesis on page 24 or 25. Now next is 8.1. The actual answer to scientific problem is. Like, what is the actual answer to a scientific problem? So it is very simple. In option A, we have observation. B, we have hypothesis. C, we have data. And D, we have conclusion. So as you know that we have 6 steps in biological or scientific method. First one we have recognition of biological problem. Second, we have observation and previous research. Third step was hypothesis. Fourth step was deductions. Fifth was experiments. And now the last step is conclusion and reporting. Remember this term, conclusion and reporting. So in biological or scientific method, the last step is conclusion and reporting. So moving forward towards the MCQs, here we have this one. The actual answer to scientific problem or method, whatever our biological method is. Observation, no. This was the first or the second step. Hypothesis, no. It was like the fourth step. And the data, no. And last, the conclusion and reporting was actually the 6th step according to the biological problem. Or here we have the D option, the last step of the scientific problem. So the actual answer to a scientific problem is conclusion and reporting. Keep remember, please, this is important. Number 9 we have here, which mosquito can transmit plasmodium in human being? Again, this is very simple. As we have studied in step 3 experiments and results of Ronald Rods in 1880s, he have done he have find and experimented the only Anopheles mosquito, this one, A option, the Anopheles mosquito, this species is responsible for transmitting the plasmodium in the blood or bodies of the human bodies. So which mosquito can transmit plasmodium in human beings? So Anopheles species is responsible for transmitting plasmodium in the human beings. The last one is this one. For the first time, who found plasmodium in the blood of malarial patient? It is very simple. that scientist Levron was the first who experimented and found plasmodium growing and multiplying in the blood of the malaria patients. Thank you so very much. This was the exercise of chapter number 2.